Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'd like to small unboxing of this Belkin surge protector with a 6 outlet 2-meter cord. This one is in white. This is really an all products. Even the actual Belkin logo here is an all logo. The product provide lifetime warranty with 150,000 connected equipment warranty, but I believe we need to consult with Belkin regarding this claim. Probably this is how this product was manufactured, sometimes on or out, sometimes on 2007. So in 2018, I don't think they may even support it, or they may still doing it. I'm not sure. The use of this surge protector is indoors and in dry locations, not for water related activities. Yeah, let's have a look. Single open from the top. Let's have a look what they have. Look at the actual power board itself. Yeah. Comes with the power board itself with the telephone cable. This gonna act as protections. On and off switch. This thing is gonna light up if the power board is earth grounded. 2 holes for mounting to the wall. Let's have a look whether you can see the wording here. You said the model here. Used in dry locations by Belkin, Tagra, Australia. Telephone protections. This part here you can lift up and then put it back in just to run some cables, to do a cable management. Yeah, overall it's a great product. We use I personally use Belkin, and sometimes also use Eaton as well. They both good. Surely you need this one rather than like a standard, like a economy type power boards, because those economy type power boards is not cut out to help you against search. If you like this video, please give a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Hi. Miss out, there's actually this Belkin declaration on the what is mean by hassle-free connected equipment warranty, and also the basic installation instruction for using the surge protectors. Yeah, thank you.